Alam niyo guys, sa panahon ngayon, pag hindi ka maging matapang, hindi ka mananalo sa buhay. I mean, kung hindi ka magiging matapang, abutin yung pangarap mo, hindi ka mag-win. If you are not fight, you never win. What you having to fight for your life, di ba? So, kailangan natin maging matapang, ayan, matatag, never give up. Ganun tayo. Kailangan natin panindigan yung pangarap natin abutin. So, yung mga trying hard na, kagaya ko, trying hard na nagpa-fight in life, never give up. Still fight, fight, fight until the end. Ganon yun. So, have a great day guys. Thank you so much. We live only once. Kaya, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Just enjoy life. Every day is another blessing, is another life. So, you need to love your life. Another day is another beautiful life. Okay? Alright. Have a great day. Thank you so much, guys. Ano pang hinihintay natin? Fight, fight, life lang. Ganon. So, siya, babuo siya.